Miss Sassy Pants, huh? You still sassy, huh? She's a good girl. So cute, baby. Love you. I know. Sorry. Can I? Sorry. Good job. Okay, all done. Thank you. Great job of taking me down. Take a nap. Whoa. Okay, I think that's fine. Hey y'all, wow, I am looking real bright in this pink bodysuit, aren't I? But I am like trying to challenge myself to use more stuff in my closet because, yeah, I just, you know, if I'm gonna buy something, gotta wear it, right? So, anywho, today has been a day. Welcome back to another vlog, by the way. It's been a day, it's been a week. It's been a 6 months. It's been a couple years. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just can't even, y'all. So my day started off with me having to deal with unauthorized transactions on my finances. So that was no fun to deal with. I tell y'all, like, when it rains, it pours. For me, I feel like it's just been like raining consistently in my life, and I just keep telling myself, girl, stay strong, get through it. You know, this is the universe's way of testing me and testing, I guess, my resiliency and such. And I just keep telling myself, one day it's gonna turn around and all of this is gonna make sense. Like, I know not everyone believes that, but I have to believe that. I have to tell that to myself, because otherwise it can be very easy to wallow in the stuff that goes on in your life, in my life. You know, I'm talking about myself. Because honestly, it's kind of tiring. Don't get me wrong, there are great things happening in my life as well. But like when you have like setback after setback, or, you know, it gets a little tiring. And I kind of wish I could have a little just break from consistent shit going on, but you know, that's life. And anyways, so I say that because I have to tell myself all of this means something. It'll make sense eventually. I know a lot of you guys always comment on that I seem to be doing well. This morning I cried, for sure. I didn't want to cry on the vlog. Also, I didn't have time because I had to deal with this shit, because gotta protect my monies, you know, it's just me. Well, anyways, it's been a day. Work has been cray, you know, nothing different there. So anyways, I am committed to myself though to get back on track with my health and fitness. You know, it's been a month since I was last in the gym. Obviously I had COVID, so I was sick, and then I had a couple weeks where I was recovering. I'm still not 100%, you know, like I still get winded slightly, but it's not as bad as it was in the past few weeks. So this vlog is gonna be us getting our shit back together and getting back on track, because even in the month that I was off, and I think between just the stress of everything that's been happening, as you guys saw in the last vlog, and everything else, like I feel like I'm gaining weight again, and I don't like that, because I want to feel comfortable in my own skin, and when I sit down and the roll is a little too large and in charge, it's a little uncomfortable. So, you know, and also I'm trying to like stabilize my weight so I can buy one pair of, like a pair of jeans at a certain size and not constantly have to change it, because I feel like I was losing weight for a while, so all my jeans don't fit. And so now I'm just like, okay, can we like stabilize so that I can know where my size is, you know, just like chill. Anyways, okay. Obviously I have a smaller kitchen than I did before. I'm trying to be very mindful about like the number of things that I have, and my place obviously is smaller too. So I like this because it's both a pressure cooker and an air fryer. Y'all know in my last house I had those appliances separate, which is fine because I had some place to store them all, but I don't have as much space. So I've used the air crisp function once on this. I haven't used the pressure cooker, so we'll see how that goes. I used to have a lot of pots. I don't have a lot of pots now. I have this pan, which I bought while I was at my old house. Funny enough, I remember thinking when I got it, I was like, oh, that's too, you know, I bought it because it was cute. And then I was thinking, oh, this would be great for someone who like lived in an apartment by themselves, because, you know, it's supposed to take the place of a few pans. And lo and behold, that's me. So this is the sticker on the pressure cooker lid. I also purchased the pot. They just came out with a pot. Bought it in the same color. So those are gonna be my two cookware pieces, and then this. So anyways, I have just taken two nice big pieces, chicken breast. I just threw on it some salsa verde, and we're gonna stick that in the pressure cooker and let it cook. Happy Friday. So I'm about to jump on a call with a control owner, and I'm basically preparing them for walkthroughs that we're about to do with our external auditors. Many of these people, like I said, we're a newly public company, so many of them have never been through a walkthrough before with an external auditor. Go into it feeling as confident as they can. Of course, it is pretty nerve-wracking getting in front of external auditors, you know? So anyways, that's the point of the call. Here's my messy background. Can I like change it so you don't see that as much? Okay, here we go. I'm about to join. I need to get one of those headsets. The one that my work gave me is like this, and I don't like it. I feel like it, I don't know. Good morning. There's always lots of things to add to our list of things to get done, right? So, but no, thank you for that info. That's really helpful. Absolutely, and that's what I was thinking. You know, I was like, especially this being the first time we're going through, you know, having actual external auditors, you know, look at our processes. Basically, I wanted to make sure I support you as much as possible before you get into it, and also before the internal meeting, just so that you feel prepared as you can anyways, you know, in something like that. So, you know, this has been the culmination of like what we've been doing throughout the past 4 months or so, you know. I guess this is as good as it's gonna get. All right. Hey y'all, so this is the worst angle, but I am still waiting on getting my like car mount, so forgive me. I just wanted to check in with you guys. So I finished up the work day. It's Friday. Busy day, productive, got a lot of stuff done. I'm gonna have to work quite a bit this weekend, so yeah, so I am taking some time out though for me. So I'm gonna go meet up with one of my girlfriends and have dinner. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna stop vlogging here. So happy Saturday. I've been sitting here in this line to get an updated COVID test because I'm gonna start going back to the office next week. It's been like a little bit over a month since the last time I was back in the office. So yeah, I'm trying to get a COVID test, and I booked an appointment, but apparently even though you book appointments, you gotta be in this long line. So I've literally been in this line for 45 minutes, and I didn't get gas beforehand, so like it's great. But I'm hoping, you know, because I heard that if you've had COVID, you could potentially test positive for a while. Hopefully that's not the case with me, so we'll see. And for today is I'll be going and doing a 5K with some of my girlfriends. It's like a foam glow 5K, which is gonna be really fun. I've never done a 5K, and I'm not gonna run. I'm obviously gonna walk because I'm not in good shape. So I don't know how good of an idea this is, but it's fine, you know. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, we'll just see how it goes. And what's funny is that's been like on my bucket list of things to do for a long time, is to do a 5K. So it's nice to get that scratched off the list, you know. I have the car mount set up. We'll see how I like this one. So this one actually attaches to the dash. The one I used before in the past would attach to the windshield. So we'll just see how this goes and how we like it. If we like it, you know, I'll do car chats in the future. If we like this, the angle and you know, whatever the setup, let me know what comments or what topics you would like to see in future car chats. Also, I've been doing a little bit of stuff around the apartment, and so I wanted to show you a few updates that I've done over the past, you know, recently anyways. So I have my little entryway kind of set up. Usually there's like a bunch of boxes here that I just takes me time to get through, but this is what I would like it to look like, except for this. This is like my little wagon thing that I use to like bring groceries in so that I can bring them all in at once and not having to go back and forth. But anyways, got that from Academy Sports. Very useful, very helpful. And then I also finally got around to hanging these. So we're now in the guest bathroom, and this is the theme. Let me know if you get it. I see London. I see France. Get it? I know, so nerdy. In a non-creepy way, okay? I see London, I see France in a not creepy way, in a funny way. Okay, y'all get it, right? Yeah, y'all get it. Then this one here is relaxing, although she's a little fussy right now because I think she thinks it's time for something, and it's not. It's not time. Juju, it's not time. You want an hors d'oeuvre? Okay. I have to wrap it in some of her food. She loves it. Mmm. That was a good hors d'oeuvre, huh? Okay, all done. Love you. You wanna lick the finger? Okay. Okay, all done. Memories! Race day! We're gonna kill it!